Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a network with an Ethernet cable. First, ensure you have your printer, a standard Ethernet cable, and access to your network router or switch. Begin by finding the Ethernet port on your printer, usually a rectangular slot. Then, firmly plug one end of your Ethernet cable into this port, listening for a small click to confirm it's securely connected. Next, take the other end of your Ethernet cable and plug it into an open LAN port on your network router or switch. These ports are often labeled and are usually yellow or black. Once connected, check for active link lights on both the printer and the router, indicating a successful physical connection. Finally, power on your printer and let it initialize completely. Now, you'll need to configure your printer's network settings. You can usually do this through the printer's built-in control panel or by accessing its web interface via a web browser. Look for the Network Settings menu. Here, you can select Automatic IP Address Assignment using DHCP, which is often the easiest option, or manually set a static IP address if your network requires it. To confirm everything is working, print a test page directly from your printer's menu. This page often displays its network information. Next, install the necessary printer drivers on each computer that will use this network printer. Finally, add the printer to your operating system by going to your computer's Devices and Printers, or Printers and Scanners settings, and selecting to add a network printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.